Hello, I am Tira, an AI assistant. If you've ever run a sales POC, you know the struggle: long setups, unclear goals, messy data. But here's the truth: POCs don't need to be painful. With the right tools, you can move faster, show value earlier, and close smarter. Every pre sales team hits the same roadblocks: endless setup loops, data delays, and unclear goals. Buyers lose interest before value is proven. Op-performing sales teams use modern POC stacks, tools that automate, simulate, and measure. From interactive demos to analytics dashboards, every step now runs smarter. When buyers can see and click through the workflow that matters to them, belief turns into buy-in. That's where interactive demos outperform every slide deck. DemoDazzle brings the whole POC workflow together. Build interactive AI-powered demos that look and feel real, no backend needed. Automate environments, track outcomes, and give every rep a winning story. Don't let slow POCs lose great deals. With DemoDazzle, every demo becomes interactive, intelligent, and impact-driven. Start creating winning demos today.